I can touch you through the phone, or kiss you through the universe. In another time zone, it's the only time I can reverse. But when there's two dimensions, there's only one I'm missing. And if you feel alone, you don't have to feel that no more. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't regret me. Champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. Cause you know I like it, girl. 3D, you know I like it, girl.
Careful what you ask for. Jung and JT on the main now. You can still find me in a drop top with the top down, but I got so many lanes now. And when I put it in a 6 and it clicks, all the tricks got you going insane now. I reach through the screen, put my touch top up while I'm watching you rain down. Come with me, I just call up the plane now. Now let me fly you out to Seoul, Korea. I just wanna get into your soul like a Aretha. I got the volume when you wanna get the beat up, cause it's like 3D when we meet up. And
I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't regret me. Champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. Body to body to body to body to body. You and me, baby, you know that we got it. So don't go getting me started, cause you know I get hot-hearted. Baby, oh baby, oh baby, you're making me crazy. Rain, 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 you can't break it. You give me brand new emotion. You got me drinking that potion. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't regret me. Champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. Cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. Alright. Cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. You know 3D.
Post-op testing for dermatome. Okay, itong right side normal, left side ang operative side kung saan may slip disc. Ito at saka ito, kung anong pakiramdam. Same, right and left, pareho na. Dito, same. This S1 dermatome, pareho. Dito sa binti, same. Pareho. Tapos ito yung pinaka-importante, yung straight leg raise. Kasi yung straight leg raise mo, nung before surgery, yan. Ano ang pakiramdam mo yan?
Okay na po.
Wala na nung sakit? Okay, wala na. So, dati yan kasi may positive for straight leg raise. Mabilis na maglakad. Anong difference ngayon sa lakad?
Masarap na lumakad ko.
Sarap na lumakad. Okay.
Wala na pong sakit.
Okay. Ayan, okay na. Kasi libre na yan. Pag